What's going on, everybody, ladies and gentlemen? SimplyPops here, and I'm here in New York City. I'm in front of the Amazon Go store. This is the coolest store in the world. It's basically, you pick up any item you want, and you literally walk out the store. It's a virtual cart, so any item you pick up, there's cameras and sensors is gonna detect it, and then as soon as you leave, it's automatically gonna charge your account. And I think you guys are gonna enjoy this video, so make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on, and thumbs up on the video. And yeah, New York City is beautiful. The city that never sleeps. It's closed, guys. Look at this. Today is Sunday.
There's another one here?
Yeah.
It's open?
Yeah.
Bro.
It's
They Google said it's open.
It's walking distance?
Probably not. It's 2 blocks.
2 blocks? So we're going to a different Amazon Go store. Cause this one here is closed. So hopefully, I'm fingers crossed. I really want to get this video out. I'm using my Apple Watch to, follow directions to the latest and greatest Amazon store. GPS in New York City kind of sucks. They keep on changing locations, yo. You see it? Finally, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it says open. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I'm happy we did it. You gotta download the Amazon Go app. And of course, here it is right here. Tap on get. It's really cool. You'll authenticate with Face ID. It's nice and warm in here though. It's cold in the city right now, man. Alright, so it's finished downloading. That was really quick. And this is the Amazon Go app. So just walk out shopping. I wish it was like that everywhere. It's gonna give you a quick instruction. Okay, let's go. And you sign in with your Amazon account. But thankfully I have everything saved. So you gotta scan in when you get into an Amazon Go store. You gotta scan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, we found it. Where we found it?
And then that's it. Once you scan, you entered. So you're gonna be allowed. This is gonna be really cool. Let's go, man. Come along with the experience. And okay, so these are think of this as tolls. You literally go in and get a close up of this. You scan in using your phone to enter. So I'm gonna scan, and the door opens just like that.
You gotta redo it.
Gotta do it.
Or
You're all set. You're good.
All right. And okay, so once you do that, you have other things in the app too as well. You have recipes. You can find other locations. You have your receipt. You can go for more. You have everything right here on the app. But now the shopping begins just by picking up anything and walking out the store. This is really cool.
We can take it.
Can-
Go out the bag.
The bag?
I don't know.
Excuse me?
Excuse me. We can take the bag and go out?
Yeah, those are free.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Free?
Yeah.
Free bags.
Really?
The beauty thing about this, I can't even show you guys the sensor because it's gonna ruin the sensors on the top. But any item I pick up is added onto my virtual cart. But I really don't know. You got Skittles, gummy bears, Snicker bars. You got Red Bulls, Monsters. Everything is right here. Crackers, quick prep, sushi, meal kits. You got meal kits, man. Now the prices, it looks regular. Prices look kind of regular. This is one of the best things about being in New York City. You have a lot of options here. Oh, they got the ice cream that I like. Oh yeah, yeah, I like that ice cream. I want ice cream, but I don't want ice cream. Like honestly, guys, I don't even know what to pick up.
Highly recommended. 5 stars.
Should I get the blue bag or the red bag? Let me know in the comments, what's the best Doritos bag? I'm gonna get the red bag. My mom always told me, when you going shopping, grocery shopping, always get the items from the back. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Mom will be watching this. Thank you for that. Tell me that tip. It's the freshest. Alright, so I picked up an item. I don't see it on my Amazon cart. It says pending charges. So I guess when I leave, walk out the store, I'm gonna see those charges. So yeah, there's nothing here on the app at all. It's blank. I love sweets. I gotta stay away from sweets. I'm gonna pick up this Laffy Taffy here for 99 cents. And yeah, that's it. That's all I'm gonna pick up. So Doritos, Laffy Taffy, let's go. And I got the coffee too. And all we gotta do, we just leave. So I'm gonna take all my stuff that I just picked up, and the bag is free. And I'm just gonna walk out. So Amazon Go, there's no cashier or nothing like that. You literally just leave. All right, so which way you leave? Oh yeah, this way. So it feels so weird. You want anything like a straw or nothing? I don't know. All right. Wow, that's it, bro. I'm gonna check my statement and I'm gonna see what it got. That's crazy. Still say pending charges. Shout out to Alvin, bro. I didn't even introduce you to the vlog. But yo, thank you for all of your help, man. Taking pictures, taking B-roll with me. Like, I need a cameraman, and you're the perfect one, man. I appreciate your help. Got coffees yet? Yep. Cheers. Right now, they didn't charge me, so it's kind of weird. But I'm gonna update you guys. But once it does charge me, I'll update you guys right away. But for the most part, we're gonna head up to Apple. But I'm gonna end out this video right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, and comment down below. Do you think this is the future? Walking and go shopping? I think it is. New York City, I love you. New York City for life, man. Even though I love LA better, but I love New York City. I just saw that they charging me. Yep, they got it. They got it. And we was in there for 23 minutes. Like, how did it know it? Like, we took coffee. Like, that's just insane. But then again, how did it know we took the bag of chips? This is just technology, man. This might be one of my favorite videos just because of the technology in the store. So that is how Amazon Go works. And I'm just completely amazed on how far I actually have stuff inside the bag. Yeah, so this bag was free, and I'm just completely amazed on the technology. Just picking up anything that you want and walking out of the store. The future is crazy. But what else is crazy is this. So this is the tracker device. No ports, it's very, very thin. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, this is real well. Yeah. Now the tracker goes inside here, and then now if you lose your wallet, you can track it on your smartphone. Ring my wallet.
I'm on it.
But this is my old wallet. So I just filled up the wallet. So I got money in here. I literally only have $1 in the dream. And of course I got my credit cards. You just press this button here and it's like a release. Now putting it back is just as simple and you're good to go. So much more cooler than opening up the wallet. You do got more compartments here, and just looking at the details on this wallet, the stitching is on point, the leather feels amazing, the smell is remarkable. I recommend it. If you're gonna get this wallet, make sure you guys get the tracker never lose your wallet again. So that is the Ekster wallet. I'll throw affiliate link down below if you guys are interested, and browse around the site. There's a lot of designs and styles. So yeah, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think about the Amazon Go store, and comment down below also what you guys think about the Ekster wallet. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, and other than that, your boy Pops, and I'm out. Peace.